I got with them motherfuckers, though. Sold them niggas who's gangster. Rider, nigga. So when you leaving, Carl?
I ain't sure. Thought I might stay. Things is fucked up.
Well, the last thing we need is your help.
Ah, man, I won't let you down. I swear.
Hey, we gonna call some hood rats and chill the hell out. You want some?
I got a whole lot going on. I'm tired. I'll catch y'all later.
Hey, yo, just drop in. We all hanging out.
Gia, and get yourself some colors, fool. And a haircut. It's embarrassing to be seen with you.
Okay. Jetzt werden wir erst einmal speichern. So, gespeichert haben wir. Dann schauen wir mal, hat es da nicht noch irgendeine Waffen gegeben? Eine Kamera, die brauchen wir nicht. Da kann man nicht rein. Gut, dann werden wir mal ausschauen. Folge dem R.
Hello?
Hey, thought I'd explain some shit.
Sweet. Hey, what's up?
Since you've been away, shit has changed around here. Grove Street families ain't big no more. Seville Boulevard families and Triple Drive families are beefing and split with the Grove. Now we so busy, Setchup and Ballers and Vagos have taken over. So watch your stuff out there.
Yeah, I hear you. Thanks for the heads up.
Don't mention it.
So, noch mal ein bisschen mehr Munition, dass wir uns einmal gegen die anderen verteidigen können. So, dann schauen wir mal zu Ryder rein. Der hat irgendwas für uns.
Hey man, what you want?
Seeing my homie. What's up with you?
Yeah, homie. Yeah, it's good to see you back.
No homie love? No hug?
Oh, for sure, my nigga. My bad. What's cracking with you?
Hey, man, what you strapped for?
Man, some pizza place keeps paying over our hit up, man. Shit is beautiful. Teach the owner a lesson. The fucking Grove Street. You down?
I'm always down.
Yeah. Let's go, bitch. Hey, show me how they drive on the East Coast, homie.
Eieiei, das da mal Nico.
Hey, old Reese still run the barbershop?
Like a raggedy-ass motherfucker. He popped his membrane years ago. The way I let that old fool in my head.
Yeah, I think I'll get cut up.
Whatever. You got 5 minutes? I'll be cutting you like a DJ. So when you running off again?
I'm not. I'm thinking of staying.
Why?
My family, the homies is here.
We were always here, fool.
Yeah, but now I'm back, and I know what I've been missing.
Don't expect me to kiss your ass or nothing. You still a buster to me.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, homie.
Yeah, don't mention it.
Okay, wir können die Kamera ändern. Machen wir meistens auf Weitsicht, da wir da völlig nur einen Überblick haben. Ach so, wir sollen uns da eine Frisur verpassen lassen. Dann schauen wir mal in den Friseursalon.
Sit down, CJ. I can do all the modern styles.
So, wir haben $350. Umschalt links hast ansehen. So, gut, so viel Geld haben wir nicht. Wie schaut's denn mit dem aus? Naja. Eingabe zurück. Oder vielleicht... das da? Mehr gibt's nicht, oder? Ne? Schauen wir mal das da. Naja. Ich darf mal sagen. Vielleicht das da. Na, oder? Das schaut scheiße aus. Nehmen wir das? Nehmen wir das.
Looking like a player now, dog. Hope you stick around longer this time.
Shit! I told you he was crazy. Man, you jacked up. Man, what's this? Shit look ridiculous. No respect for the hood. All clean as shit. You looking too skinny, CJ. I wanna get us something to eat. I'm gonna finish this, then I'm gonna take care of business.
Okay, also. Wir müssen regelmäßig was essen. Weil wir sonst Energie verlieren. Zudem können wir dadurch Energie tanken.
What do you want?
So, was essen wir denn? Doppel Deluxe oder die volle Lusche? Lutsche, $10 kostet es.
Enjoy, sir.
Das machen wir vielleicht einmal
We stack 'em high.
dreimal.
Sir.
Give up the money. This a raid.
Ryder, not this again.
It ain't me, fool.
No one else is that small. I feel sorry for your dad.
Shit, you crazy. Let's get up out of here.
Same old CJ. Buster. Straight Buster. Oh, shit! Run!
This pizza parlor's no pushover.
So, und wenn wir zu viel essen, dann nehmen wir zu.
What you waiting for, fool? Take us back to the Grove, motherfucker.
Der hätte eine Knarre. Sollen wir ihm die abnehmen? Die können wir wer brauchen.
Hop in, CJ.
Weil wir spielen ja ohne Cheats, also ohne Waffen, Cheats und lauter so Sachen. So, was? Fahr Ryder nach Hause. So, dann müssen wir irgendwie... Da oben vielleicht die Abkürzung. Und es ist der Sonnenaufgang. So, Ryder, wir sind wieder da.
Better drop by and see Sweet. He's been yapping on about that graffiti too. Later, homie.
So, wir haben Respekt gekriegt. Aber wir brauchen unbedingt einmal Geld. Weil, wie gesagt, wir spielen ohne Cheats. Wir kaufen uns alle Waffen irgendwie. Weil sonst ist es ja viel zu einfach alles.
Come on, fat boy.
Yeah, watch out, fool.
Come on, fat boy.
Watch this,
Fat
watch
boy,
this.
look at. Look who's here. It's
Bam.
Running Man. What, you think you back on the set?
I told you that, bruh.
Your word don't mean shit around here.
Come on, man. Give me a break.
We gotta go hit up the hood.
Hey, CJ.
Let them know you back on the set. The Johnson brothers is rolling again. Take this paint and go hit shit up. Start with our own set first.
Later on, we spread out, take the whole hood back.
You already spreading out, fat man. Let's play. Let's see what you got, pork chop. Hey, wait up.
Ah, thought you hang with your brother, huh?
Oh, ease up, little man. Come on. It's been difficult. You want to drive?
Yeah, for sure.
These rap
Okay.
bodyguards, huh?
Ab zur nächsten Mission. Und diesmal müssen wir Graffitis überlackieren, um unser Viertel zu markieren. Da haben wir das erste.
Watch for those rollers as I tag this up. You go get them and I'll
Ups,
keep the
jetzt haben
engine
wir's.
running.
Jetzt haben wir das übersprungen. Egal.
How would you like my badge for a
Oh,
butt?
möchte denn der da? Jetzt haben wir schon die Polizei im Haus.
I'll risk suspension for this. Get ready for a real penal code lesson.
So, 3 haben wir. Jetzt müssen wir zurück.
I'm about to contribute to your delinquency.
Come on, let's cruise into Baller's territory.